A two-way switch works by turning a circuit on or off by changing the state of one of two switches. You may have seen a two-way switch inside your house or a building before and wondered how it works. After all, simply wiring two switches in series isn't going to cut it. Instead, you need a special type of switch called a single pole double throw switch, or SPDT switch. Single pole means the switch controls a single circuit. Double throw means that the switch has two on positions instead of an on and off position like a standard switch has. You can wire two SPDT switches together by their traveler pins so that when both switches share the same state, the circuit is closed and the light turns on. And when both switches have different states, the circuit is opened and the light turns off. Thus, by changing the state of either switch, the light turns on and off. You can make a two-way switch on the breadboard. First, start with a basic LED circuit. I'm using a 100 ohm resistor, 3.7 volt battery, and a 5mm LED. Then in series, connect two single pole double throw switches. Connect the two traveler pins of the two switches. And now you have a working two-way switch.